You excited? We going to a park today. I'm taking y'all on an adventure to a park today. Yeah. I did not know it looked like this. Okay, grab you a cold drink. Grab you a cold drink. Cold drink. Sit by the fire. Some of y'all, I need to take some of y'all phones because some of y'all don't know how to listen. Put that phone down. Go watch this on the TV. Some of y'all don't know how to listen, so I'm gonna need that phone. I'll give it back at the end of class, okay? At the end. Anyway, I'm taking y'all to Indigo Park today. Let me just fix that up for ya.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome. Indigo Park offers a slice of American dreams to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow.
So y'all just see me fixing the camera, fixing y'all the whole video. The whole video. Now y'all not gonna know the lore. Y'all not gonna know the lore. Hey Laura, I'm going to an abandoned park. I don't have a tumor or nothing. No. Yay, that looked fun though. That looked really fun. The park looked really fun. Y'all guys excited? I'm taking y'all to a park finally. Okay, I'll stop my watch. The parks look cute though. Indigo Park. Indigo Park. Oh, hold up. I gotta fix y'all. Okay, you know what, this is fun. Let's go in this park, this abandoned park. Don't have a tumor or nothing. Just running on in this park. Ooh, collectible. Oh, this door automatically opened for me, huh? There must be an animatronic in there waiting for my ass to come in here. Why did we come in here in the first place? We can't go past this fence. Not in the rubble, no. Ooh, that's a collectible. Collectible. Collectible, we gotta collect these collectibles.
Hi there.
Oh, hell.
To Indigo Park. The world's most innovative and engaging.
You give me a heart attack.
Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds.
Golly!
Congratulations! I'm Rambly the Raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo
I just
Park
want
is
these
the most fun it can
collectibles.
be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
If you open the freaking door for me. Can you open the freaking door? No good.
Hi, I'm Rambly the Raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered.
I gotta go in the raggedy ass chair to sign in? I thought it was in the other room.
Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic
It's
surgery?
my first and my last.
It's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualified for a big discount
After
on your
today,
ticket.
I'm
Just
never
follow me to the main
never.
gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Death has to offer me dying. Yeah, okay, buddy. Okay, I'm so excited now. Let me in.
What's the holdup? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway.
Meet Rambly at the gate.
Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit.
Yeah, no, it's not open.
You get to be the first person to try or turn on the generator in the lecture. How fun?
Turn on the generator. Okay. I'm just looking for all these collectibles. Open, okay.
The Indigo Violet Compact Power Generator.
Shut up, buddy.
But it seems to be inoperable.
Oh, God.
Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
Yeah, hold up. I'm the best at finding shit. Hold up. Ooh, collectible. A collectible. Rambly. We got Rambly. Okay. Right here, bitch. See, I'm the best at finding shit. Your generator shouldn't be making a kissing noise at all. It should be making generator noises.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
A bunch of weeds grown, a bunch of grass. Man, my viewers deserve like amazing Indigo Park content, like not just grass.
Oh, that will allow you access to certain areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get
Yay, a critter cuff. What's a critter cuff?
There you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure.
Seems kind of kinky to me, buddy. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. Let's get the freak on out of here.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked.
Man, if you
Why not
don't
test out
open your
van and
freaking
save
door
the
right
day?
now. Just open the door, man.
Hooray! Great work, buddy.
Yay.
Now try entering the park, and we can
Yay.
start Indigo Adventure.
Man. Okay, this is fun. Yeah. It's a totally normal abandoned park right here. Wait. There's a collectible somewhere around. I know you're hiding that collectible in your ass. Snoop Dogg. They playing Snoop Dogg up in here. Oh shit. Woman's restroom. I gotta go in here. Collectible. Visit the information kiosk to learn more. Is there any collectibles in the stalls? No? Let's go up in the men's. See if there's any collectibles up in there. Of course not.
All by yourself.
Oh lord. Oh lord. The raccoon cute, but everything else is not cute.
The facial data suggests you may be a
Big old bird.
target audience for this ride, but it's one of my favorites.
It's a big old bird.
The raccoon loves ram things railroad.
Get in the car. I can't even fit in the car. I'm gonna fall out. Can't. Yeah, this is fun. This is fun. Gonna make kids ride just slow ass ride.
Oh look, it's Molly the Dog.
It's a big fucking bird.
The greatest pilot you ever saw!
You sure are, Mo. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Ramblin'. I'm barnstorming!
What's barnstorming?
It's crashing with style. It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers who got along with you look like great pilots. Why not try your hand at flying in my ride?
No, I don't think I'm gonna fly in your ride. Yeah, me and Rambly good on that, buddy. Me and Rambly good on that. gotta turn on the light for maintenance. Hello? Hello? For maintenance. Okay, where we left off. Blood. I'm standing in a pool of blood. Okay, not a pool of blood, just blood. Ramsey, you okay? You've been smoking. You okay, Ramsey? Ramsey's been smoking. That shit. Can I go? Oh, I gotta go through here. Okay, the door knows. Okay. I really don't care. Really don't care. Really don't care. Gotta find two. Okay. Yeah, that's creepy. So it's loud as hell too. My headphones, goddamn. You better not move. This is scary now. I'm putting my headphones on full blast, like.
Professional Lloydford L. Lion, actor extraordinaire.
Great act, Lord.
Of course it was. I'm the real star.
Now you know all about.
I told you my fat ass was gonna get off that
So where do
train.
you want to go?
Okay. The monitors can't. Ooh, where my picture at? No, no, it's not fun. My house to sleep. I don't know. Ooh, a toy. What? Can I pick that up? No. Damn. I can't pick none of this shit up. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Can't wait to go home. Can I go in there? Oh my god, this looks so fancy. A kitty! Let me pet the cat. Let me pet the kitty. I gotta pet the kitty. Keep on petting the kitty. Keep on, I can pet the kitty only one time. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to leave ya, buddy. What's in here? I just gotta check every place, make sure there's no collectibles I'm missing. Yep, a gold one. Okay. I like these little stores we can go into. Okay. Kitty baby. Kitty. We can pet it again. Oh. Good. So cute. I have to go now. I'm very sorry. I have to go now. I'm very sorry. The back of the theater. Find the key. Maybe it's in here. This stupid bird, maybe it's in here. Oh no, that's Molly, that's his friend. The back of the theater. Because, you know, racism. See? Oh, now I can get in. Now it'll let me in. Okay. Because I talked to Remley. Really? Now it'll let me in. Okay. Ooh, hello. Let me out of here. Let me out of here. That big ass just came at me. Let me out of here. I thought that was a puppet. I thought. Rambly. Let me out of here. I'm not. Okay.
Hey, buddy. Got eyes
You
all
know
over
what?
the
Maybe
court, but
he's
I can't
nice.
see anything
Maybe
behind the
he's the
stage.
nice one.
If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter cuff is not yet able to resuscitate you.
No, he's not. Yeah. What do I gotta do again? Find a key card. Oh, it's a big ass statue. Oh Lord, is he coming? Is he coming? Oh, I thought he was coming. Oh, man, I thought he was coming. After my big fat ass. He's so fast. I mean, I don't know. I can't run, so it's a key right there. Oh my god, so funny. Oh, he's coming. He walking around. Oh Lord, he walking. Oh Lordy Lord. Oh. Okay, let's just roam this for collectible somewhere. Okay. Let's just go. Okay, just run. Just run. Be in here no more. Get me out of here. Oh hell no. Get me out. Oh yeah, there's the noise. You don't like that noise? Yeah, you don't like that noise? Get the fuck on. Oh my god. Let me out of here. That big fucking bird. Big ass fucking bird. I told, oh god, he, big ass fucking bird. I got the key.
Why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
I think not. I just want to leave this park. Molly's race, Molly's garage, Molly's rooftop race. Okay, I'll go up there. Trying to hide these from me? Don't think so. Collectible genius.
Sorry, the number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial.
Hurry up, I hear growling. Ha, you fucking got left on hold. An arcade, can we play it? Ooh, we can play that shit. We can play that shit. Oh no, Molly's plane crashed and Rambley got lost in the woods. Okay. You can't go back. Oh no. Okay. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. Molly, what happened? Hey, Rambly. I was just flying through the woods and suddenly you gonna kill my ass. Bitch. Oh, she pooping everywhere. Haha, bitch. Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, Molly. I sure didn't mean to do that. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to make Molly upset. Now she gonna kill my ass in real life. Ooh, a fruit too. Okay. How do you play that game? Molly is not nice. Oh. It's a fucking playpen. It's a playpen. And the ball ran through the... Okay. Let's go down the slide. Whee! That was no fun. That was not good. Not fun at all. Oh, it's open now. Okay. Hell no. We going back. We are going back. No. I'm not facing that big fucking bird. You got me fucked up. I'm not facing that bird. I am not here. Oh, Molly, please. I'm sorry I killed you in the game. Please don't come after my fat ass. Please don't come after me. These bubbles now. Then blue is the star, green is triangle, red is star, then blue is red is star, then blue is star 2, and green is triangle. Alright, I hope I'm doing this right. I hope I'm doing this right. Red is star, then green is star 2, right? And blue is, green is triangle. Green is triangle, right? Blue is, got it. I knew I was doing something right. Smart. hell no. She is so fast too. God, she's so fast. Y'all crazy. Oh hell yeah, that's good now. That's hella good now. Open up, bitch. We dead. We're dead. We're getting stuck on these fucking tunnel walls. Yup. Can't catch me. I'm fast as fuck now. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Can't catch me, I'm fast as fuck. Come on, nigga. Run, bitch, run. Run, bitch, run. Run, bitch, run. Oh, a collectible. I could've caught that shit. I could've got it. We in the fence now. Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, there you are, buddy.
We in the fucking fence.
Wait, hold on. This one's snap only.
I don't care.
Welcome to the
Oh, no. Oh, hell yeah, Rebel, you got my ass. You got me. Hey, that bird bitch was talking shit about you, so I'm glad you did that shit.
Noticed about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up.
Yeah, I'm scared. It's a big old bird right there.
I just was so excited to see a visitor. I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long.
I can see that.
I realized just how much this repaired purpose sorry for the inconvenience. But I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database.
That bird said some nasty shit about you in that playpen.
User. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Please don't tap the glass. Really know what?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. You okay?
Oh hell!
You look kinda
It's that
tired.
dragon bitch.
Do you need a moment? Don't worry.
It's that dragon bitch from
I'll blame you
earlier.
for taking a guide. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell?
I'll be back, but not for the reasons you think. I'll be back to burn it down. If you like this video, leave a like. If you like content like mine, subscribe.